Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Friday, May the 2nd. We have two small deals over at Walgreens. One got a little bit better, and then we have 96-cent dry sprays by Axe if you're interested. You got to kind of have to move on these deals quickly as the week is coming to a close really quickly. So, the first one we're going to talk about is with the Shea Moisture bath products. Find these towards the front of the store where they have the fancy bath salts, the Olay, L'Oreal lotions. It's typically on another shelf parallel to it at the front of the store. Ask a cashier if you can't find them, but they're not with the regular schmegular body washes. You're going to find one of the scrubs and one of the body washes exactly as pictured for this deal. They are $12 each, and they're on the promotion. When you buy two, you get back a $10 register reward. Now, we're going to do this deal digitally, like with digital coupons only. So you're going to load this 5 off, and it's going to attach to one of them. Now, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards, it got a little bit sweeter, where it's 3,000 points back per product. So you're going to get $6 back. So they are not playing around. And if you go over to your IBOTTA, there is a $2 rebate for the body wash, and that's a one time, along with $1 back for the scrub. And the scrub one was still there for me this morning. I know it had the time ticker of death, but it's still there, which is really interesting. So just looking at the math really quickly, one of each is $24. They're $12 a pop. Subtracting that one $5 digital, you're going to pay $19, get back a $10 register reward. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $3 back. That's $19 with the two rebate apps, essentially making both items completely for free. If you want to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, you're doing the deal with no booster. By all means, go for it. And if you have been allergic to signing up for Fetch or IBOTTA, today is the day to sign up for both of the apps. Check out the referral links in the notes and sign up with my team. And I think you're going to get back like a couple of bucks when you submit your first receipt to Fetch. And when you submit your first qualifying receipt to IBOTTA, it's a $5 extra credit, which is really nice. Now, if you might be able to find these at Walmart, it's a $4 hang tag on the body wash. And if you can track this down, it's a money maker because you're going to get like an extra $4 off. So it'll be a $4 money maker with this. But I know not everybody can track them down. But if you can, I mean, it just gets a little bit better. Now, hopping right into the Axe deal, you're going to be looking for the $7.29 dry sprays, or body sprays as they call them. They're on a promotion of buy one, get the second one 50% off. So for two of them, it's like $10 and some change. Now, if you remember at the front of the video, I'm like, you got to do some of these deals today, because this coupon actually expires today, which is a 5 off of 2. So you're going to make sure you have this friend loaded, and it expires today. So hopefully you still have it loaded. And in case you were like, it's just not that great, it's not a 7 off 2, this is just a last minute deal that you can do. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's $2 back on each spray. And Walgreens is one of the stores listed for this, so you're going to get $4 back, which is really fantastic. So I think you can see how we're lining up this deal. It's just very basic, but oh so fantastic. Two of these dry sprays, $10.93. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5.93. Photograph that receipt for $4 back from IBOTTA. It makes it $1.93 for the two, or 96 cents per spray. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But, Father's Day is just around the corner. If you wanted to stock up on this stuff, it's just super duper smart. In case you missed it, on Monday, earlier in the week, a lot of the merchandise went 80% for the Easter over at Walgreens. You might want to check it out. I was in this store yesterday, and look how much is left. I think people just don't really care to buy this stuff. I don't think it's going to be going to 90. My guess is that they're going to box it up after maybe a week or so and then send it back to head office, or a lot of the candy will be sent to a food bank. The end date is the 16th of May, which is a Friday. So I think that's going to be it. They'll just probably box it up, sometime next week, and that's going to be it because a lot of stores don't have a lot of this left. But if you like everything cutesy and Eastery, you might want to check out Walgreens today. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.